There's a point in healing when advice begins to miss the mark. It's a point when you're not searching for answers anymore. That's because you already have them. You now know what happened to you, and you can name it as narcissistic abuse. What you're carrying now is uncertainty. It's the weight of what it took to survive what you now finally understand. So I have to ask, what will help you? The answer, I think, is being understood. Annie reached that point too. She didn't need anyone to explain the abuse to her anymore. She knew what was needed, she needed someone who would understand exactly what it cost her to leave and what it cost her to stay as long as she did. She was, I guess you could say, looking for reassurance. She wasn't asking for direction. Annie didn't want advice. She wanted understanding. You probably do too. There's a loneliness that you feel after clarity. And I think it takes people by surprise because we expect that once we see it, once we've named it, something will lift. And sometimes it does, but often what follows is quiet. Because clarity doesn't erase the years you spent doubting yourself. Doesn't undo the ways your voice softened. And it doesn't restore all at once the parts of you that learned to disappear. Advice, even when it's kind, it can kind of feel like pressure because it skips over the part where your identity was slowly erased, where your instincts were questioned, where your reality had to be negotiated, and survival required adaptation. Healing doesn't come from being told what to do next. It comes from being understood. This is often the moment when you realize something very important. You're not looking for information. You're not looking for information. You're not looking to be fixed. You want a quiet, steady place to untangle what's left without being rushed, corrected, or explained away. And it has nothing to do with your strength. We already know you were strong just to have survived the narcissist. It's because you're finally listening to yourself. This one's for the person who already knows, who sees the patterns, who understands the truth, who has done the work of naming what happened, but is still carrying it, mostly alone. You don't need any more advice. You need understanding, and you deserve to be met there. Annie's story reminds me that healing doesn't come from being told what to do. It comes from being understood. I'm Keil Hackley, attorney, author of the book Undercurrent, a woman's story of breaking free and the horse who saves her, in the voice of Annie. And as you can see, I'm a fur mom. This one just got her cone off from surgery, and I'm making sure that this is still safe for her without the cone. Thank you for being here. I want you to be tenacious and never give up on what's important to you. And bye for now.